In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a ticket for a student if their Chromebook isn't working properly or if it's damaged. So first, you'll visit this website. You'll select Sign in with Google. You may have to click on your school email or enter it. Select Staff Tech Support. For type categories, you'll select Chromebook. For types, choose the best description of what's going on with the Chromebook. I'm going to choose power issue. Description, just enter a really brief description about what's going on with the Chromebook. Related user, so you want to make sure that the student's name is here and not yours. So I'm going to pretend that I'm a student, so we don't use any actual student names. And I'm going to select my name. Now, if the student doesn't show up there, what you can do is enter the student's name under description. Under related asset, if you select this dropdown, it might auto-populate the Chromebook that they have. If it doesn't auto-populate, so let's say you might see something like this. Sorry, no matching options. What you can do is find the serial number on the student's Chromebook. So on the front of it, if your student has a sticker still, there'll be some characters at the bottom of the sticker that you can enter. That's the serial number. Or if you turn the Chromebook over, you'll see something that says service tag S/N. It might just say S/N and some characters. You can enter those here. If it isn't auto-populated. For the site, choose the school where the student is, room number where you want the repaired or replaced Chromebook to be returned. If you have any screenshots or files that you want the support team to see, you can upload them here and then select Save.